The 2014 Holden VF SS wagon is a true Aussie performance icon that blends muscle car power with everyday practicality. Under the bonnet, it packs a commanding 6.0-litre V8 engine, delivering a thrilling surge of power and a deep exhaust note that car enthusiasts love. Whether paired with a manual or automatic transmission, it offers strong acceleration and a smooth, responsive drive. The VF SS wagon stands out with its bold styling, aggressive front end, and sporty alloy wheels, while the spacious rear cargo area makes it perfect for families or road trips. Inside, you'll find a comfortable, driver-focused cabin with modern tech, including a touchscreen display, Bluetooth connectivity, and premium sound. Combining power, style, and versatility, the 2014 VF SS wagon proves you can have both performance and practicality in one legendary package.